like I'm still gonna be giving you guys alerts and everything. It's just like while the charts are being boring, which I know they're gonna be boring for at least a portion of the morning. Feel free to talk and whatever you need to do because I'm just gonna be a little bit more quiet today.
Oh no, that's terrible.
I mean, if we see good setups, I'm just gonna be talking, nonstop like my usual self. But I gotta finish little projects. Not gonna lie.
Okay.
All right, let me put that one. There
Okay.
you guys go. There you guys go for the link. All right, let's see what we got going.
It's crazy how bad the first half of the day was yesterday, and then in the afternoon things were actually moving.
Yeah, if you actually do look at the, say like even, I mean, look at this. If you look at, let's go to SPX, look at, the first, is that 3.5 hours? The range is, I mean, the range isn't horrible, but it's, what is it, like 25 points? 27 points. But I mean, like, look at the chop. There's no direction, right? Every candle,
Yeah.
especially if you're doing like 0 DTE, which I mean, a lot of us are doing, and if we're doing futures also, you're just gonna get like baked out so quickly. There's just no technical analysis you can really do on this or any sort of analysis. This is just distribution. So what happened yesterday? So we can just do a quick analysis. We gapped down, by the way, this morning, but oh shit, wait, is everything working? By the way, hopefully my stream is all good. I just want to make sure. All right, good. Everything's all good. Yeah, looks like it's good. But
Yeah.
we had distribution and then a breakdown. So this is very unexpected, and this is not because of the Poland news. So the Poland news actually came out here at 10. I think it was like 10:24, 10:25. So I don't know if the Poland news, like the Poland news of two Polish individuals were actually killed due to a Russian missile, right? So that apparently it's by accident. I don't know how much I'm going to believe that, right? It's Russia. But we don't have to talk too much politics. But just for reference, right? So we had the sell-off, nothing related to any sort of news that I know of, and then here the Poland news came out and it continued to drop. But this is just pure like price action. Like, I don't think the Poland news had any effect. Now it did have effect, guys. This is super super important. So yesterday, and I know we don't want to talk a ton of politics, but yesterday Trump did announce that he's going to run for president again for 2024, right? So what happened when he announced, and I'm not even joking, it was 5:33. So he announced right here. This is kind of funny. So right here at 5:33, since then the market just completely pumped in the after hours. So we had like a 17-point move off of that, and then I mean I don't know what this was related to Trump, but we did have a pretty fat pump right when he announced that. So at least for I guess the economy, because usually the economy likes to lean a little bit Republican, right? Likes to lean a little bit red simply because lower taxes, all that kind of stuff. But maybe economists are saying, okay, this is good because if he wins, then we'll have a better economic outlook, something like that, right? So that's just some news to keep in mind. And then from that overnight low, non-related to Trump sort of thing, we've had a 35-point move. So it looks like the overnight session had a very large range. And now we're downtrending from, I guess, this double top. So remember, we've been looking at areas of resistance during the pre-market and the after hours. And they usually try to target those zones. I don't know if they're going to try to target this zone up here at 4016, but it's definitely an area in which we can be looking at. So the level, if you're looking for ES, I'm just going to round it 4016. And then we topped up here at 4015. So this is a very, very key area for resistance. I'm going to just put a blue line here and say overnight. Oh god.
Ew.
That was oh my goodness gracious. Okay. I like my ears just oh my god. I don't even know how to react to that, honestly, guys.
What in the world?
Oh my, just please, guys, everyone's human, I understand, but just please mute your mic, okay? I don't want to hear that in my ears in the morning. Oh. All right, so PM, so
there goes my oatmeal.
Oh my god, okay, PM high. Or PM, I'm just gonna say PM double top. So now we have this area drawn out. other than that, let me see. I think there's probably just some sort of news that I don't know about yet. We're running right now. To me, this is not something I'd want to play just so we are on the same page. Let's see what we got going. So Wednesday, UK stuff. Oh, so we had something at 5:30. What was it? 5:30 was import price index month over month. I mean, it didn't have like that big an effect, so usually I just don't even pay attention, honestly. But 10 a.m. we have housing market index, so that's in 25 minutes. We have housing market index. It doesn't look like we have any Fed speakers. Oh, actually, we do. So at 9:50, Williams speaks at a conference. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know who Williams is. Not gonna lie, but Williams from the Fed speaks at a conference 10 minutes
Yeah,
before
you
the
have
algo stuff.
Barr at 10 and Weller at 2:35.
Okay, got you. I mean, let me know if there's any other stuff that I don't know about, because I only have a smaller sort of condensed.
Yeah, Williams is doing a speech at a hybrid 2022 U.S. Treasury Market Conference organized by the U.S. Department of Treasury Board of Governors.
Okay, got you. Lots of words, but that makes sense.
Well, lots of words, but I have no clue what the hell.
It's all good. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Algo hasn't given me anything this morning. I mean, it really didn't give us much yesterday. Just so much chop and lack of direction. If we look at the PA, right? So let's just go to an hourly. This is really key. So we go to the hourly chart. Let's delete a few of these lines now. Oh, we actually do have a. Depends how you draw this trend line, but let's go back to the 15. We do have this sort of support zone here. Support, and then I drew them through the wicks here because these wicks are so big, it really does not make too much of a difference. And this morning we bounced when we had the data at 5:30, and if we go to the 1 minute here, we can see we kind of respected it in this area. Liquidity grab, I guess you could say, here in the morning, and then we're pushing back up. So I'm not really sure how I feel about all this. The setup I would want to be looking at right now. Let's see the 3 minute real quick. So the 3 minute, they might try to hold the 9. So they're probably going to try to hold a level of 3986 within the next 2 minutes here. Otherwise, on the 1 minute, this actually looks pretty good for puts, but it's going to have to break this candle low on this candle. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to look for puts and just overall downside. I think that they're going to target this low right here at market open of 3979 on ES, because this kind of looks like a liquidity grab structure. But what would have to happen is a continuous sort of knife. They can't really have too many bounces, or else it's just not going to be a liquidity grab structure. And the reason I say liquidity grab structure is we have these little highs right here, 2 candles in a row. They rejected 3991.5, and this was about 20 minutes before the market opened. And then we retested up here, and then we broke by about 1 point, and then big ass red candle. So from that rejection already, from say 93, it already came down here to 84. So 9-point rejection within 3 minutes. So that's going to be a lot of sellers in this area. Now, what would disconfirm the setup for the downside is obviously if they are able to hold it for, say, even 1 to 2 minutes here, like we're seeing this green wick now. They're going to have to hold a 3, and then they're going to have to just simply either chop it or consolidate it in this area. That's what would make us go bullish. Hopefully all that makes sense. Let's just go back real quick to the hourly. So they actually have a failed breakout. This is the most important part. So we've talked about these sort of trend lines over extensions in the past, and this is very key. So it's a little bit tricky in this case due to the amount of chop we had yesterday. But we had resistance. We break through on PPI data. We hit 4050. And then from 4050 at PPI high, right? This was, yeah, so at like 535 we top. From there it just continues to go down. So this was actually an overextension to the upside. Then we actually have an overextension to the downside. And then we're just chopping in this area for now. But this is a failed breakout. And you can see it a little bit more clearly on the 60-minute. So the hourly chart looks very nice. Let's see the daily just real quick so we can make sure we're all up to date. I mean, the daily just looks like it wants to retest the 9. I would say we should see a big retest of, say, 3920s. That's what it looks like to me. By the way, for the 3-minute chart, it looks like they're actually trying to hold it now. We can see that it did not close above the 9. It closed below the 9. And then what happened is big ass green candle right afterward. So I guess it looks like their target now could be 9 EMA on the 5 minute. So if they have a wick on the bottom here, that'd be ideal for the buyers, and they have about 10 seconds left to hold it. This looks like a pretty okay bullish setup, I would say, for the time being. They could probably retest this high. They didn't really hold it too well right here, but we'll see. PA for the last few days has been kind of weird. Volume as well is, I mean, it's okay-ish, but it's a lot more chopped than usual. Is that just me, or does anyone else agree? It's a little bit more choppy, like the price action. It's not. I mean, when you have more chop is actually when you have more volume and more liquidity. So, for example, let's just, even if we go to this day, like there's chop and there's range, but it's actually kind of like directional, right? Even on this day, we still have a little bit of direction in the morning, you know, and then chop late day. Here's that was before FOMC, but yeah, I mean, I don't really like this sort of price action in the last few days. It's very random. Like, what is this drop before PPI? So much of a sell-off. It's a little bit more clear usually. So right now, by the way, on the 1 minute for ES, it looks like we are breaking down. So they aren't really holding the 5 minute too well right now. But again, it's just green, red, green, red. They can't really find a direction quite yet. What is key is, say, the 15-minute chart. We haven't had a candle closure yet during regular market hours, right? But we are seeing rejection of the 9, and it does kind of look like they could continue to extend this to the downside here. So that's something we can be looking at. Anyone else have any insight? Because I don't really see much. I really don't see anything, honestly. See, maybe we can draw this sort of thing.
Yo, is SPX only 10-cent increments above $3 now?
What do you mean?
Like you can't do like 3.55 or 3.45.
Oh, wait, it doesn't let you fill options at 3.55, only like 3.5, 3.6, 3.7 kind of thing?
Yeah, through
Oh,
10-cent
did
increments.
it not let you fill? Because they might have changed it then. Wow. Actually, does it
I
not
think
let you do
so.
it?
It's only above $3.
Oh, okay.
$3 cons.
Maybe they changed it so if they changed it, that would mean that they're trying to basically not have retail get fit. This is just basically screwing retail, in my opinion. They're basically just trying to have retail not get good fills, right? Because retail can get in with 2 contracts and make a few $100 and get a way better fill if they do a 5-cent increment. You know, you save 5, 10, 15 bucks.
Yeah, facts.
So they're just trying to, market makers, because they buy in large size or sell in large size the options to us. They're trying to get better fills on their end, I guess. Because they control the bid and the ask prices, obviously, if they're selling these contracts or the option writers, whatnot. So I do want to see a sell on SPY3. That'd be kind of nice.
Yo,
Go on, Ryan.
what's good, bro?
So I mean, we haven't had that yet, and I mean, it's just red, green, red, green. It's really just trash PA right now. Yeah. I'm gonna do my homework while we wait then, because Ryan will say some smart stuff while I'm doing homework now. It's so trash. Oh shit, probably perception. By the way, Dio in market chat said he's still getting 0.5 fills on SPX.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna ask him what premium price. He's in market chat. You can talk to him. How many people we have in here today? 81. Damn, our viewers continue to decrease. OGs are still in here, which is good.
Well, I think decreasing is really because it's been hard to trade a little bit lately.
That's true. That's true. Hey, we made a lot of money in the morning yesterday. You guys got to admit that was pretty nice. All right. I guess no one will admit. That's fine.
No, okay.
That's okay. That's okay, guys. It's not like Ryan and I were just going crazy or anything. It's okay.
For the morning we had, it was like for the price action we had, it was pretty good.
Yeah, exactly. For the PA that was there, it was pretty nice.
I got the low day scout play. Works. Okay, I'm watching.
Low day scalp. Those are the only words you need to hear in the morning, and you know you're about to make a lot of money.
Lots of top.
Oh, I'm super slow today. Ugh.
We looking for this low day scout?
Yeah, I'll be watching it.
So this is actually a liquidity grab structure finally. In a way, I mean, ooh, hold up. I do like low day actually myself. I'm shorting ES here. I'm shorting ES here. I'll tell you guys my feel. I'm just gonna
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna set a stop limit buy or stop limit sell order for short at 3980. 3980. Stop limit sell order. I'm gonna alert this too. If you want to be even more safe, you can do 3979.5. Actually, I'm gonna move mine to that.
Yo, just making sure short means you think it's gonna go down.
Yeah,
right?
correct.
I bet.
3979.5.
Ryan, you looking at 396?
What?
Oh, you're doing SPX. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I'm watching probably 3910.
I think it's good,
I'll go
Ryan.
up.
It looks good, man. I would just, I mean, I don't know how quick your fingers are, but I'd be ready to buy some puts.
I'm ready.
Wait a minute. Why is mine? Okay, 39.
So I know Ryan's doing something a little different, but I have my stop limit sell order, guys. 3979.5. I just got filled. And I'm up
I did
here.
at 1-3.
All right, so Ryan's in puts, and I'm in a ES short, just so everyone's on the same page. I'm like break even right now. I don't know about Ryan.
Break even.
I think we can see a little bit lower, honestly. This liquidity grab structure is nice.
I'm managing a position right now, so y'all good luck with that one.
Ryan, you're in 391. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I didn't.
I'm down 10 cents, so it should be
Guys, I took a Duke call yesterday for a swing, and I'm up 120%.
Oh Lord, which?
So Ryan
Fucking
and I,
Duke Energy. Let's go Duke Energy.
Yeah, but we're in a trade right now. 1 sec.
Yeah.
Right. Good grief. Okay, I really got a good feel, Ryan, on that.
Perfect. I
3
went
minute.
down 5 cents.
Yeah,
I'm
3 minute
in
and 5 minute look
at
good.
115.
Here we go.
We should
come
see
on.
lower right here. If this wick breaks, oh, it's gonna be a nice drop. But we need it to
Yeah,
break
hopefully
here.
It dumps here.
Yeah, it should go.
ES has room to like 3969 for the next level.
Akşam. Ama ne kodumun şeyi ya. 39 put.
Oh, me your mic.
I swear, like every time we're in a trade, everyone just starts unmuting.
Yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna start
All right.
being mean.
It's okay, guys. So we're in profit. Ryan's in profit. I'm in profit. I'm gonna be half out personally.
Okay, I set a sell order at 1.5.
Very nice. All right, I'm up 3.5 points.
Yep.
Nice trades, y'all.
That was good, Ryan.
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's crazy.
I'm
Anyone-
half out of 150.
Yeah,
Anyone-
I'm out.
Anyone short ES with me? How much percent are you guys up? so I can
Got
flex
some
my
scale
ES
at
gains.
1.5.
I scaled it at like 50% on ES. I mean, ES at least.
That's good. All right, so stop loss. I would say stop loss 3981. If it breaks that, it's just gonna be retarded. Just go up.
So Ryan, where'd you
Got some at 1.5. Still holding most though, but 1.5 wasn't bad. Like 50%.
Yeah. Yeah, I got in at 1.15, so I got a good amount
Oh,
of
perfect.
profits. So I just closed the whole thing rather than scaling.
Yeah,
you
I got like 22% on the SPY 0DTs.
Yeah, I did 5
No, not
contracts and I
bad.
just closed them all out because it was like $35 a contract. So I got out.
This can go lower. This is gonna have to a top wick here and oh, it's gonna close green. Never mind. This they might try to fill the top wick. It's gonna be 50-50 right here. If they can break low a day, it's gonna go a little lower. But there we go. Perfect. Nice. Excellent, guys.
Woo.
Absolutely lovely. All right, I'm gonna be 3/4 out. I don't know about you guys on your options. ES is banking hard right now.
Yeah, I got 2 contracts left, but I got a 3930s for SPX puts.
How much are you guys' options up?
I got 1.45 right now.
Yeah.
Tell me
I'm
percentages,
not
bro.
sure why the 1.45.
60.
60%? Dude, that's more than freaking futures. No way. That's
Yeah,
insane.
the 3930 put.
Jesus. Okay. I mean,
I
I'm up
got in
like
at 2.7.
I'm up 5.5 points on my ES short.
Yeah.
Jesus. Okay.
This is at 3.8 now for asking price, but I got in at 2.7.
Jeez, that's very nice, guys. Good stuff.
Dude,
good stuff.
how? My option I played on the low daybreak was only 20%.
Yeah, that's what mine was too.
Yeah,
Yeah, y'all are tripping out,
I got
man.
I got a bad entry too. So
So I got a really good entry. So that's why I closed it out early. Like I didn't scale, I just closed. I mean, I just took all my profits at one time this time.
That's honestly fine. Like the lower days are tricky. Remember, look what happens as soon as we broke. We saw a fat wick goes right back up. We were in loss.
Yeah.
Unless you got like an amazing trade type of fill, which is usual. You know, you always get the amazing fills. And the next candle, big ass red. Next candle, big ass green. It's just kind of tricky. You gotta wait for candle closures, and it's hard when you know.
I took the risk and I took a fill like 30 seconds before the lower daybreak, so I got a really good fill.
I mean, that's exactly what we did with the ES also, you know. So just set the stop limit. That's what I like to do, the ES for low day. I mean, Ryan, personally, I would look to do futures, man. At least for your low days, it's so much easier on ES because like you don't even have to have quick fingers. You just set the limit, and like right before it breaks, 25 cents before it breaks, you get a really good fill. Feel me?
Bro,
I've tried out.
I've been paper trading a futures account, and for the last like 13 trades, I've been green. It's annoying that like I'm perfect on futures, but like options no.
I mean, futures is just an
It's even funny
ultimate
too.
test of your skills and abilities. It really is.
And like last night, I bought ES and I just swung. I sold like 75% of my fake position. And I left the last 25% for a sell at 4,014 on ES, and that was literally the top last night or this morning. Like 414.75 was the last portion I sold. Just had a limit order there.
I'm not watching.
And when I went to sleep, that shit was like under 4,000.
Jesus. All right, Ryan, you're gonna have to take over right now, bro. I'm working on my homework real quick. I'm gonna stay in here, but I'll say something if we go to a new low a day, then I'll be down to one runner, but that's it. We're all good on this trade, right? The rest, for me, the stop loss 3981. Yeah, like you guys are barely even in the position. I have no money left in it either. It's probably gonna bounce here anyway. Just hit the stop loss. We'll see.
Man, I'm so happy that worked out because that lower daybreak was the only thing I was seeing that was like viable.
I'm good.
and relatively safe, you know, like and straightforward. That was so good. We had basically at our low at daybreak, we also had a pre-market support, or actually after-hour support from yesterday, but that was nice.
We go to VWAP. and we
U.S.
hold it.
natural.
I might buy calls.
U.S. natural gases are down 5%.
Oh yeah, I just saw that.
You guys want
on
a
Walter
real?
live.
Yeah. You guys want a real quick market run through? Let's just see what's happening with the market real quick. ES, SPX, SPY just gap down 0.4%. Just continues to go down. Dow Jones pretty strong. NQ really weak. It's down 1%. Qs are weak. Apple's weak. Amazon consolidating. Tech is consolidating other than Meta. Meta huge breakdown. Nvidia is down quite a bit.
Sorry to cut you off,
All
but
good. All good.
you do have a short signal.
On SPY, yeah. I mean, already took. I don't know if I really want to take it at this point.
Yeah,
I actually have to do homework right now, so I'm just trying to. Let's see what else. Looks like growth is down today. I'm just looking at a firm in Roblox, right? By the way, if mRNA, Moderna, look at this chart. This is easy money. I'm telling you guys. Remember what we said for GS? Remember GS, guys? We see a daily close red. Easy money. You buy calls. You can average if needed. You go in with half size and you average if needed. Super easy money on Moderna and GS. The first daily red candle that you see, unless it's like a huge daily red, like 3% down kind of thing or more, 4%, you buy calls, 2-3 weeks out and you just hold it until it goes for a new high. All right. These are easy trades. Moderna and GS. This is like easy money. First red daily candle, you buy calls. Okay. Look how many greens we've seen in Moderna. GS should have a big breakdown here, and then we just buy that because a ton of sellers will come in late. Everyone good with that? That's just from with the trades we looked at yesterday. New low day run? Woo! Damn, I forgot scale. Okay. Let's see if I can get a scale in here. It's at my last scale of 74. That's pretty nice. How much percent are you up, Ryan? Or were you up at that low a day?
Honestly, it was still at 1.5, so.
Bruh, your premium's just not moving. Jeez.
Yeah, I mean, it's also because the range is not really. It's really only $1 range for really looking at the chart. So.
I mean, yeah, the range isn't amazing. I do agree. Actually,
so that's probably why.
Actually, the only thing that makes this range good is this big ass red here at 646. I'm gonna do this, guys. I'm gonna set a limit to be all out but one contract. ES at 3970. So I'm gonna have the rest of mine to sell at 3970. I think if algos come in here in the next 2 minutes, right? Because they do, we can have, and we have data. We have data as well. So here's the plan. I'm gonna move stop loss from 3981. Let's see. I'm gonna have it to 3984, and then I'm just gonna be all out or stop loss. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Because algos come in, and then you have the data, I think, for the housing data. If that thing is shitty, then we can have a nice move. 10 points of profit, something like that.
Yeah, the contracts I was in are damn near back at my fill price that happened before the low daybreak. Oh, getting slaughtered. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, baby.
So did the short signal go on ES or SPY for both?
That was SPY, I think, right? If it were ES, I'd be all over it. Yeah, so it was SPY. I mean, ES had a signal earlier, so let's see it. Let's see these algos and let's see this data. 9 seconds, boys and girls. Either stop loss.
I think we're gonna go to VWAP.
Stop loss or heaven.
Yeah,
Let's
I think
see
it's gonna go to VWAP.
Come on now. Come on now, man.
It is.
Don't hit my stop loss first, please, please, please. Don't hit my stop loss first. Just
Might be a
bottom
fake
wick.
out right here.
Bottom wick me. Bottom wick me. Come on.
Shit barely even
It's gonna
moved.
reverse.
Yeah, come on. Where's the data at? Give me the.
Or it might go to VWAP.
All right, U.S. September business inventory is at 0.4, expected 0.5. Bruh,
That's not crazy.
come on. No, don't hit my stop loss, bro. Just hit. I just wanted to hit freaking 70 and then go to 84 all at once. This shit is playing with my heart. I thought we were supposed to have a big pump or dump. No.
Oh,
TA wise, looks like it wants.
wanted you to think.
Yeah, they wanted me to
looks
think
like it's
that.
going to VWAP.
I mean, I have my stop
That's what
loss
I
in my
said.
my stop loss in my limit set. Hopefully, it doesn't hit 84, which it's probably going to right now. Come on. If it doesn't hit 84, that would be like insane. That's crazy. I thought we were gonna have a big ass algo pump there. I guess not. I guess not.
Sophia's legs hurt.
Hey, maybe they top wick us here and we go for a new low day. Data hasn't been processed, something like that. TA wise, 5 minutes rejecting off the 9. So that's what I'm looking at right now. It's the bottom right chart on my screen, guys. 5
Do you
minute
see
9
the
reject.
falling? Do you see the falling wedge on the 1 minute?
1 minute. Yeah, I see that. Support in the bottom. That's pretty nice, actually. I think it's maybe it's easier to draw on, say, like the 3 minute here. Yeah, maybe the 5 minute. Oh, trying to find a good way to draw this out. Tricky. I like it though. It looks good. Yeah, I think it's from here.
They're really protecting that what area. Well, 395, 70 area on SPY.
Yeah. What it kind of looks like
But
now
that
is
drops.
yeah, buyers are very consistent. So if they hold every candle green, including this one, it's going to be a setup that we've seen on previous days. Liquidity at low a day. Look at the fat red. So look, now that we're looking at it, right, from a different lens. New low a day, fat red. Immediately they buy this up ahead of the data. Data comes out, no impact at all so far, and they're holding everything green. We've seen this for the past like 3 trading days. They just buy. So if this closes green, let's see. Yeah, close it green. It's even if it's flat, it's green. Everything will just continue to be green. So looks like they want to push this off the low day. Let's see. They're gonna have to have multiple greens though. Yeah, it could be pretty good for calls.
Bryce said UVXY looks like a bull flag.
Who's Bryce? Bryce Hall? He alerts options, bro.
It's crazy.
Nah, you don't know Bryce?
Nah.
This looks like
I
it could.
follow. He's pretty good. He's like a 90% win rate.
Oh shoot. I thought he was only good on TikTok. Damn.
I thought he was only good on OnlyFans.
He has an OnlyFans?
I don't know. He probably does.
Yeah. He's the type of dude to have one. Dude, come on. What is this price action like move? What the hell?
Damn,
down.
what the fuck?
Hopefully this goes down. They're just trying to hold it 9. It's like,
there.
Bryce? Yeah.
It's probably enter calls there.
Yeah. Bro just forwarded calls right
calls.
there. Oh, nah.
No, I told you Bryce said that UVXY looks like a bull flag, so that means SPY would drop.
Oh, okay. I mean, I don't know why you would ever do TA on UVXY, but like, because you can just do the same thing
Well, I
on
mean,
SPY.
yeah, I know. It's basically just being like, okay, what's VIX doing? Okay, well, if that's doing this, then SPY's going to do the opposite. So I guess if it looks bullish, then I mean, since it's inverse SPY, you know.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I don't have a problem with that as long as it works for them. I would just rather do TA on like the actual stock though. Like that doesn't really make sense.
Yeah, for sure.
It's okay.
Well, he looks the way he does it is he compares like 3 or 4 charts at the same time against like ES, SPX.
Okay. I mean, in the end, it's all derived from SPY and SPX, so it doesn't really matter if you chart anything else to like find movement. It's just gonna eventually like.
His exact words were bull flag on UVXY. This run could be coming to an end soon. That's what it was.
UVXY. bull flag.
Or this run could be coming to an end soon. I'm pretty sure he meant for a SPY.
I don't see any run right now. It
Because
looks
of-
like it's dropping pretty hard. Not gonna lie.
Because of the flag on UVXY. I'm not gonna.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's kind of what he was saying. UVXY was the
flag?
indicator that SPY was going to drop.
What flag is he talking about? Because to me,
Exactly.
if we inverse the SPY chart, like all I did was invert it and flip it over, it actually looks like a uptrending, a wedge, whatever you want to call these. This looks like I don't know, like a bear flag. No, how is this a bull flag? Let's just go to UVXY. Maybe it looks a little bit different there. What time frame look like? 3, 1?
I think you're saying the same thing. You're just looking at ES, and he's looking at
but
UVXY.
I just don't understand what bull flag, because isn't this a bear flag or an rising wedge?
Bear flag on.
Bro, I'll just screenshot his whole entire
Okay, yeah.
alert.
I mean, yeah, I just want to see because I don't really see the bull flag actually.
It would be on UVXY, the bull flag. So inverse on ES or SPY.
I know, but I just inversed my SPY chart. Here's UVXY. I still don't see the bull flag. That was a nice run that we had yesterday on UVXY. Damn. I'm not gonna lie though, I still have to do my homework. You guys have to stop distracting. Come on, guys. You guys are bad classmates, bro.
Oh, I know. I was gonna say I thought you were doing homework, but I wasn't gonna.
All right, I'm not talking anymore. Starting right now. Silent game for me.
Yo, Kris.
Yeah, Kris, my bad. I tagged you in market chat for the picture.
Is Ryan still in here?
I don't see the bull flag still, by the way, but
Faked so many people out with that 1 minute huge green wick.
Wow, look at that.
okay, that ass tricky. I don't see the bull flag. It's the bottom
Yeah,
one,
it's kind of
right?
weird. It's kind of weird because he started off saying UVXY bull flag. Watch for this run. to
But then
come.
it looks like an SPY bull flag, doesn't it?
Yeah, on the bottom he says
Maybe-
possibly a bull flag on SPY, but with
Yeah, I think
decay.
you
So I'm
confuse the
like, bro,
names. Yeah, I see the bull flag on SPY, or at least I see like a channel, or I don't really know. He only has 2 resistance points, so I guess
I don't even know.
it's okay.
But I mean, shit, UVXY, if it went up, I mean, SPY did come down. So
Yeah, it's true. Damn, I'm using too many words. Back to silence. Yo, was it just me, or by the way, or did anyone hear that Travis Scott thing? Was it
No idea.
like the sound? Like I was the only one who heard that.
Oh yeah, no, I didn't hear anything.
Really? Like I'm the only one who hears that right now.
I don't hear anything.
Are you guys watching Are you guys watching the stream? That's how we know. That's how we know. Damn.
I'm not watching.
I caught Trey in the act. Literally in the act. Right there. Red-handed Trey. Guilty.
Yeah.
I'm watching the stream. I just have it muted.
Muted. Yeah.
I get you. That's smart,
'Cause
actually.
Twice.
Oh yeah, because then yeah. I'm gonna put on a little bit of music while we show real quick, by the way. So we can. If we see low day, by the way, I want like 70s for next scale. I'm canceling my limit at 72. Let me do that. What did I even have my limit at? 72 yet? All right, I canceled it.
I'm all cash right now. I don't know.
I just have
How
runners
do you-
on ES. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, no, I'm just all cash. Do you think re-entry is viable here? Like, should I re-enter for low day?
Full port
We-
seems reasonable. Yeah, it's honestly
Yeah.
like full porting is like easy money right here. Nah. But bottom trend line. So yeah, it does look good for downside. Maybe I'm just biased though because I'm still in my short, right? So if you want to grab like
Honestly,
a 20,
I think the next low days on SPY could pay because that's actually a major area.
Right.
395, like 67-ish.
I'm watching for a double bottom on the 1 minute.
Also, I love Duke Energy now. One of my favorite companies.
Duke Energy. Okay. I'm
I'm
gonna
up 200% my calls.
Jeez, okay. Guys, I'm actually gonna log out because I do have to finish this work. I keep procrastinating and looking at the charts and it's distracting me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We made good money today, right? Everyone's green. I mean,
Yes,
we made
I
a good
made good money
trade.
today.
Ryan
Thank
and
you.
I both with the low a day. Dynamic duo, bro. Let's keep it running, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow
Okay.
morning, okay? I'll post any alerts in the late day, all right?
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace, guys. See ya.